Hello everyone, my name is Marshall. I'm a history major at the University of Florida. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use databases and journals within the Smathers Library. So I'm going to go to the home page of the UF Library's website. And the first thing I'm going to do, we're on the home page now, is click on databases and journals. Now my focus is on medieval history, so I'm going to show you how to find secondary sources concerning the medieval time frame. So once I click on databases and journals, the easiest way to do it is just to click databases A through Z. And then the name of the database that we're looking for is Breppel's Journal. So I'm going to click B and scroll down to Breppel's Journal Online. And once I'm on that website, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and go to the bibliographic sections at breppels.net. I'll enter the databases, International Medieval Bibliography, and it brings me to this home page. Now what I like to do is go to advanced search because I can narrow my search down to exactly what I'm looking for. And it gives you all these fields to choose from. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can obviously type that in and find. Well, let's just say we wanted to find something concerning Henry I, Otto I, Holy Roman Empire, military history. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm confined to the English language, so I don't need secondary sources that are not written in English. So I'll just type in English. And then I'm going to come down to academic discipline, and I'm going to check military history. Once you see that it's checked up here, you're good. You could select as many as you want, but just for this video, we're going to select military history, insert and close. And then I'm going to confine it to a geographical area, which is Germany. Insert and close. And then I'm going to confine it by century. So we'll go from the 10th to the 12th century. And it gives me a total of 44 sources that are going to come up. Search. And we'll look through. Bachrach's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and click on one of his. How about we start with this one? Early Saxon Frontier Warfare. And this is going to give me all the details that I need about this article. Now, some will let you read the article from here. It'll give you a direct link. Some will not. This one does not give you a direct link to the article. So what you need to do is go to the University of Florida Interlibrary Loan site, and then you'll go ahead and log in. And we're going to request this article. So it's an article in a journal. We'll go to New Request, Article. And then you want to fill in all the information that you possibly can. So, the title is the Journal of Medieval Military History. Type that in. Volume, you can find that right here. Volume, year, pages. Volume 10. Don't worry about the issue number. 2012. Inclusive pages, 17 through 60. Article title. Find that right here. And then we can put the author's last name. It's Bachrach. I believe it's father and son. And then any of the other information. Submit request. And there it is. It usually takes about 48 to 72 hours in order for your article to appear. And UF will just send you an email letting you know that it's arrived. And then you can come down into here and view electronically received articles. That's where your article is going to appear. For this one, I can show you. These are articles that I've requested in the past. And in order to view those articles, you just click on them. And it would give you everything that you need. And that's it. Good luck.